With an indoor pool in the heart of downtown, let's check out this home with over 10,000 square feet of living space.
Welcome to 748 Churchill Row.
Built in 2008 and designed to fit the downtown streetscape, this home has many modern features, such as in-floor heat,
and an in-home lift system and attached 2-bay garage
that can fit up to 4 cars.
From the central foyer, you get a wonderful sense of the home's layout. It's the hub that connects all the main living spaces.
This main living area hosts the home's beautiful kitchen, a living area, and doors to the well-manicured backyard.
In the kitchen and throughout the home, you'll find custom built-ins by Wildwood Cabinetry.
The kitchen also features a double oven, a gas stove, a warming drawer,
and as well as the dishwasher in the kitchen, you'll find another in the butler's pantry.
Off the kitchen, you'll find the main floor laundry, with a laundry chute directly from the primary bedroom's ensuite.
The formal dining room is adjacent to the main living area, perfect for large gatherings.
Off the hall, you'll find the home's mudroom with secondary access to the garage and a bathroom.
And one of the highlights of the home is this indoor saltwater pool with its own steam room.
Also on this level, you'll find the home's media room.
Finishing off this level, we have a den and a powder room.
Let's head upstairs.
The second floor has 4 bedrooms and potential for more.
One of the bedrooms has its own walk-in closet and ensuite bath.
The bright primary suite features a large walk-in closet,
and the ensuite has a soaker tub and tile shower.
Next is an office, which could be another bedroom. It features its own private balcony overlooking the backyard and views of the indoor pool.
Finishing off the second level, you have the craft room and the home gym.
The third floor features additional living space and storage.
Let's head downstairs.
The finished lower level features storage, utilities, and your own dog wash station.
And finally, we have the beautiful and spacious backyard with perennial gardens, flowering shrubs, a wired-in shed, and doors to the indoor pool.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 748 Churchill Row,
Visit frederictonhomes.com.